Hi, I'm Julia Medill, and I'm going to be your instructor for the 2025 Spring Stitch Along. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to make a crochet patchwork jacket or a knit patchwork jacket over the next 4 weeks. They're both considered an easy skill level, so if you've never made a garment before, this would make a great first sweater. The crochet jacket uses a combination of simple solid color squares, classic granny squares, and flower motif squares for an eclectic mix of color and pattern. After assembly, the whole thing is edged with my favorite crochet ribbing stitch that I can't wait to show you. The knit jacket uses the same magical yarn but in a totally different way. This pattern is created with mitered squares, and when worked in the all-in-one color changing yarns, you get cool stripe and color blocking effects. These squares are worked in cushy garter stitch, and I'll show you how to seam them together, work some simple shaping, and then pick up and knit contrast trim for a professional looking finish. Our patterns use some really innovative yarn from Red Heart, all-in-one granny square and all-in-one flower power. They actually change colors in just the right spot as you work, eliminating the need for joining new colors. These yarns come in lots of coordinating shades, so choose your favorites for a totally custom project. So grab your needles and hooks and join me back here for 4 weeks of fun, learning, and stitching.